How to do a priority matrix in time management. What is a time management matrix? A time management matrix helps categorize tasks based on urgency and importance, allowing you to focus on high-priority, long-term goals for better time allocation. Understanding Quadrant 1, urgent and important. Quadrant 1 tasks require immediate attention and are crucial to long-term goals. These include crises or deadline-driven projects, which demand swift action. Quadrant 2, not urgent but important. Quadrant 2 tasks contribute to long-term goals but lack urgency. Examples include planning, learning, and personal development, which need consistent prioritization. Quadrant 3, urgent but not important. Tasks in Quadrant 3 require immediate attention but don't contribute to long-term goals. Examples include distractions like non-essential meetings or phone calls. Quadrant 4, not urgent and not important. Quadrant 4 activities are time wasters, like excessive social media use or binge-watching TV. Reducing time spent here is vital for better productivity. How to create a time management matrix. Start by listing tasks, then categorize them by urgency and importance. Use a 4-quadrant grid to visualize your time and focus on high-impact tasks. Prioritizing Quadrant 2 tasks. Quadrant 2 tasks are essential for long-term success but are often neglected. Schedule time for these activities to ensure consistent progress toward goals. Using the matrix in daily life. Integrate the matrix into daily routines by setting clear goals, blocking time for Quadrant 2 activities, and limiting distractions to stay focused on priorities. Benefits of the time management matrix. The matrix boosts productivity, reduces stress, enhances decision-making, and improves work-life balance by focusing on important tasks and long-term success. Avoid common time management mistakes. Common pitfalls include procrastinating on Quadrant 2 tasks, overloading the matrix with tasks, and neglecting regular reviews, which can hinder time optimization. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.